Coconut milk and salmon might seem like a weird combination. However, it is actually a very stylish one. Plated with green peas, the end result is simply stunning, not only for the eyes, but also to the taste buds. An affordable dish for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any other celebratory dinner. To make the dish, you will need salmon steak, boneless and skinless, chili pepper, salt, pepper, olive oil, fresh cilantro, frozen peas, coconut milk, shredded coconut, and the zest and juice of an orange. Start to preheat your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. And heat up a quart of water with a pinch of salt and bring it to a boil. Put everything that I have on the cutting board in the saucepan, so the coconut milk, the shredded coconut unsweetened, the orange juice, and the orange zest. Season with salt and pepper. And a pinch of cayenne pepper. Take the saucepan to the stove. Bring the liquid to a boil over high heat. Whisk. Reduce the sauce until it will be thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. So maybe reduce it by 20%. Meanwhile, cook the salmon. Season with salt and pepper. Place a tablespoon of olive oil in a hot skillet. And fry the steaks. Skin side up. Work into batches, maybe 2 at a time. Make sure the steaks do not stick to the pan. Split the fish. Sear another minute and place on the cookie sheet. Same thing for this one. And do the same for the other 2 pieces. Turn off the heat. Place the salmon in the oven for 4 to 6 minutes and blanch the peas. In boiling salted water, add all the peas at once. Bring them to a boil and cook them for 1 to 2 minutes depending on their size. Drain the peas. Taste the sauce. Check the consistency, so it's coating the back of a spoon. If it's too thin, reduce it further. If it's too thick, add a little bit of liquid, like water, to make it thinner. Tiny bit more salt. Taste again. I'm going to taste with the other side now. Perfect. Let's plate. Chop the cilantro, so separate the leaf from the main stems. So you want to do a rough cut and add it to the sauce. Whisk to incorporate. Let's get the salmon. Nice. So the salmon is firm. There is a little bit of white oil on the top, which is a good sign that the salmon is cooked. Okay, it's flaky. Place the salmon on some paper towel to absorb the excess of fat. Good. Place it on the plate. Add the sauce. You don't want to have too much sauce because it's pretty rich on each side. Nice color. Add the peas. Garnish with a cilantro leaf and a little bit of shredded coconut over the salmon. It's that easy to make our pan-seared salmon in coconut milk with peas. Bon appétit!